So finally guys, if you are a GB WhatsApp lover, then there is a good news for you that now latest version of GB WhatsApp 17.70.0 is available. If you have not updated yet, please update it. If you update your application to the latest version of GB WhatsApp, your data may be more safe, more secure. No hackers will be able to hack your data. As usually, whenever there is any update in any application of GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or Yo WhatsApp, I make videos and used to tell what are the changes have been made in new update. In the same series, today in this video, I'm going to tell you A to Z features, which features have been added in the latest version of 17.70.0. Hi, this is Amir. Let's start the video. So guys, as I have told you that I have already downloaded and updated my application. Let me open it. When I open my GB WhatsApp, by the look basis you can see that it is almost the same as it was in the previous version. It is quite smooth and different, you may say little bit different, but still some problems are there. Like you can see that in the home screen ads are shown here, you can see that, and one ad is shown here. So still the problem of ads is available. Let us talk about another things. First of all, let us check it out that we have the latest version or not. For that we need to click on three dots on the top, click on GB settings, and on the bottom you can see that upgrade GB, where you can see that 17.70.0. If you want to download this application, simply visit description and follow the link of our Telegram group, and thereafter just join our Telegram group, and where you will find the application. Second thing I need to tell you that this application is not fully in a final touch. Still updations are going on. It is not available officially for all the GB WhatsApp lovers. One thing you can notice here that the Telegram plugin option is available now. If I don't know that after final touch it will be available or not, but still you can see that now this option is available. Once when I click on it, we have already seen that many times Telegram plugin option was given and thereafter it was removed, given and it was removed. So still the same things are here, like as you can see that the Telegram option is given here. I don't know that how long it will be here. If you talk about another features, still if we click on privacy and security, then you can see almost all the previous options were in the past. You can hide your last seen, you can disable forwarded tag, you can also set who can call you. You can also hide view status, anti-delete messages. You can also check anti-view once. Means that now the latest one feature is available in the GB WhatsApp, or you may say all the WhatsApp versions. You can send a media file that can be viewed only once. Like as if you are sending a media file, for that what we need to do, like as I'm sending a media file to any of my friend, just for that what would I do? I'll just click on any chat, and thereafter just to send that, we don't need to click on attach item, just click on camera icon. When you click on camera icon, what would happen? You will see that images will be shown here. So when you send this image, then what would happen? You can see that here this option is available. Click on this and then send it. What would happen if anyone will watch this image, maybe video, whatever it is, so that will be viewed only for once. But if you use this version GB WhatsApp, then you can view it unlimited time. If we talk about another features, still we talk about, then we can see that here custom privacy option is not available. Only few options are shown on the top. You can see that you can change the wallpaper of a group or also a chat. That option is available here, but still if you talk about the voice changer option is not available. If I open any chat, then the same thing will be there, that like we cannot use here voice changer and lock conversation. So that is little bit quite annoying. And on the top you can see that search box is available, aeroplane mode is available, light mode, dark mode option is available. You can enable it, and similarly here you can see that the chat status and calls. You can also separate your chats and groups. Just for that you need to make changes in your home screen. On the bottom, as usual in the past version, like S plus button is there. On the top you will see that you can download the themes from the first option. By second option you can simply use the caller phones, and by third option you can simply create a new group, and also you can create a new broadcast. By clicking the setting option, you can enter to the GB settings. On the top, when I click again, sorry, let me open it again. On the top, when I click it, you can create a new group, new broadcast. You can also check the linked devices. You can also log in to any PC or laptop by using this option, scanning the QR code. You can send money and also receive money by the payment option. You can send a message without saving contact number if you use message number option. You can also schedule messages if you use this application. Once when you click on GB settings, I have already told you that in privacy and security all the previous options are available. Here you can scroll down, but still the problem is that app lock is not available as it was not in the past. In this universal settings, almost like as you can upload a best quality status, you can send best quality photos. You can also hide here. You can see that you hide your GB WhatsApp images, videos from the gallery. You can enable chat heads. If you want, you can increase the forward limit, as it is by default 5. But if you enable this option, then you can send or forward any message more than 5 or 300 recipients. You can also enable self-destructive messages here. On the bottom, you can see that little bit some options are given related to the status. You can use them. You want to set auto update. Here you can see that 2 options are available. Enable both options, and on the bottom you will see that the choose launcher icon here. So by default, a launcher icon is set. If you want, you can choose from anywhere, like as you can choose it. As I told you that here the dye theme option is available. Click here. By clicking on dye theme option, you can enable wallpaper in the home screen, and also if you want, you can enable conversion wallpaper also is available. So on the both options are available here directly. It was given previously in the plus button in the home screen, but now for that kind of changes you need to come here to GB settings, and thereafter you need to open your, here you can see this option available here, dye theme. After clicking on dye theme, you can change these all the things. This application is really cool, but under process still. It is not in final touch. It is mine for you may say responsibility just to tell you if there is any update in any application. I just to tell you, if you want to download it or you want to check it out or you are waiting for the final touch. So when there will be a final touch, then definitely I'll make a video on this topic and I'll tell you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that if we upload any video, you get the notification first. Very soon we'll see again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.